Kid Next Door.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Kid Next Door. We have another reverse silhouette tutorial here. In this time we are painting a garden scene. So again, for the garden scene background we need bright colors. You may have colors of your choice, and this time I'm painting the background using the kitchen sponge. So we will put the colors one after another on the kitchen sponge directly. There is no water, it's the direct acrylic color which I'm putting on my canvas paper. You may do this with poster colors also, on normal drawing sheet, whatever you have, but make sure that you are just dabbing with the sponge. So the colors, like there's no need to, the dabbing sponge technique gives a unique texture to the entire background. This is why dabbing is important here. So you just keep doing them. There's no need to blend the colors. It's okay if they are coming out, distinctly from each other, because anyways when we will have our main object and we will be coloring it, you see the texture on this page, it's really great. Once the background is dried, you can start drawing your main scene using the black permanent marker. So I'm drawing simple flowers here, whatever, again, the objects need to be bulbous, big, and it should cover as much space as possible. You may add leaves, you may add more flowers, more buds, and we may have some butterflies as well. So you will see here that my intent is to cover each corner of the page. I'm trying to cover till the edge of my sheet as much as I can, and everything has to be double so that it can be highlighted in our painting. You may have some detailing within the main object though, but the outline of every object should be really big. So there's still some space in that corner which I'll be filling up later. Here I'm placing another flower. And adding more leaves there. Another butterfly with a different angle, but trying to draw till the edge of the sheet so as to give more body to my main object. So you can keep drawing as many flowers based on the space you have. Any kind of flower that that's easy for you to draw. I have also drawn very simple flowers here because the beauty is actually how the overall scene comes out to be. So more the objects in the scene, better it's going to look. Just remember, there shouldn't be any empty space left. Keep on adding leaves, keep on adding flowers or buds, whatever you feel like before you start coloring it. So now once you're satisfied with what you have drawn, you can start coloring the background black. You can see I'm coloring directly with the marker pen. You may do it with the paint or crayons also. So once it's done, the overall effect comes out to be magical. It looks so bright, so attractive, so out of the world. I'm sure whosoever will see this is going to appreciate your work and would want to try. So good luck trying. Hope you'll enjoy. Do let us know in the comments section how did it go for you. We'd love to see your work on our Facebook channel. So if you have not liked our page on Facebook, please do so, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.